Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we explore natural remedies for common health issues. Today we're diving into the topic of gout and how you can heal it naturally using remedies and herbs. Gout is a form of arthritis that causes intense pain, swelling, and stiffness in joints, often affecting the big toe. While conventional treatments are available, many people are turning to natural remedies to manage their symptoms and promote overall wellness. Before we jump into remedies, let's understand what causes gout. It's primarily due to excess uric acid in the blood, leading to the formation of urate crystals in the joints. Certain factors like diet, genetics, and lifestyle choices can contribute to this condition. To naturally heal gout, it's essential to address these underlying causes and make lifestyle changes that support joint health and reduce uric acid levels. One of the most crucial steps is modifying your diet. Foods high in purines, such as red meat, organ meats, and shellfish, can exacerbate gout symptoms. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water helps flush out uric acid from your system, reducing the risk of gout attacks. Now, let's explore some powerful herbs and remedies that can help alleviate gout symptoms naturally. Cherry juice. Cherry juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help lower uric acid levels, reducing gout flare-ups. Turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects and may ease joint pain associated with gout. Ginger. Ginger has long been used for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Incorporating ginger tea or fresh ginger into your diet can provide relief from gout symptoms. Devil's claw. This herb is native to Africa and has been traditionally used to reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like gout and arthritis. Nettle leaf. Nettle leaf is rich in antioxidants and may help reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for gout sufferers. Alongside dietary changes and herbal remedies, adopting healthy lifestyle habits can significantly improve gout management. Regular exercise, particularly low-impact activities like yoga or swimming, can strengthen muscles and joints while improving overall mobility. Stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and adequate sleep are also essential for reducing inflammation and promoting healing. In conclusion, healing gout naturally involves a holistic approach that includes dietary modifications, herbal remedies, and healthy lifestyle habits. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before trying any new remedies, especially if you're currently on medication or have underlying health conditions. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.